how good is Arthur? The best chicken you can find in town. He is very good. Now, you are making me pad thai. I love pad thai. Everyone does. It's easy to make, it's delicious, and you can add whatever ingredients you like to it.
Yes, correct. So actually the pad thai is like an iconic dish.
Yes.
It's sour, sweet,
Yes.
salty, or balance of the flavor in there.
And the crunchy things as well, the crunchy peanuts,
and
the bean sprouts.
The fresh one.
Yes,
Yeah, so...
A good amount of oil, and you want to get it really nice and hot.
So we put the tofu.
Tofu in. Beautiful.
Yes, there are many history about pad thai, but the famous one, I think it's like around like World War II. We shut off the rice.
Yes.
So they introduced to use the noodle.
Yes.
Rice noodle instead of rice.
Yep.
And then we just like seasoning by the Thai taste. So we use tamarind paste.
Yes.
Thai people like the taste that quite intense, quite strong.
Yes.
So we use tamarind paste for the sour.
So there's a lot of history behind this dish.
Yes. And this one when it start to cook,
you're caramelizing it, beautiful. And then you're going to take it out?
No, we just...
No, just keep going.
Shot.
I love it. So tofu caramelizing, chicken breast goes in.
There.
Beautiful.
So we just cook chicken like almost cooked, like 70-80% of cooking.
Fantastic.
I use the pad thai paste because this one is got pickled turnip in there.
Oh wow.
So it's one of the pickled radish.
Pickled turnip.
Yeah, pickled radish. Because this one is really hard to find in the market. Sometimes you buy the wrong one.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
And this is already done for you. It's easy, it's convenient, all the flavors are jam-packed. Would you like me to add some in?
Yes, please.
How much would you like?
2 tablespoons.
2?
Yes,
like
please.
2 like that?
Yes.
1.
Just pour 1. Yes.
Happy?
Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Fantastic.
So we just cooked it up a little bit.
Yep.
Get the flavor coming out.
Fantastic. All right, what is next, Mod?
And then we add all the sauce ingredient there.
Yep.
Tamarind paste.
Tamarind.
I just chuck it in there.
Chuck it in? Fantastic. And
Palm
what's
sugar.
This? Palm sugar. Already grated. You're too organised today.
Yes.
You got here earlier than me this morning and you've done all the chopping and all the prepping.
Water.
Fantastic. Just to really emulsify that sauce. Yum.
And the important thing is fish sauce.
The best.
Yes.
Love this fish sauce.
And fish sauce, we put in is when the sauce boiling, we put it in.
Beautiful.
So it's the fishy smell.
Yes.
We get less.
Yeah. And that's what people are scared about, the fishy smell of the fish sauce. It's the seasoning, you need to cook it off a little bit. It's absolutely gorgeous, robust, the umami flavor. So beautiful. I always have a big bottle of the squid fish sauce in my pantry at all times because I go through that much of it with my cooking. So delicious. Noodles.
Noodles.
Beautiful. Now they're fresh noodles?
Yeah, this is fresh noodle,
no pre-cooking needed, just warming through.
Yes.
Oh, the smell's coming off this, Mod. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm getting pretty hungry.
So we will stop cooking when the noodle is soft.
Ready? Yep.
Yeah, it's ready.
Beautiful.
And then we add a little bit of oil.
Onto the side?
On the side, yes.
So everything in one pan, no need for 2 pans?
Need. And then can you help me put egg in there, please?
Yes, boss.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
And we just scramble it.
Yep, and it cooks instantly because that wok is so hot.
Yes.
Oh, look at that caramelization. That is looking good, Mod. Beautiful. So bean sprouts in, nice and crunchy, and some chives.
You can use Asian chive or this chive. Yep. It's okay. Sometimes it's really hard to find Asian chive.
Yes.
The flat one.
Flat ones,
So.
Well, if you've got a good Asian supermarket near your house, definitely go and check them out.
After we add this one, we just turn off the heat.
Beautiful. And we're ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Mod, you've made enough for a family of 4.
Yes, of course.
I love it. Always lots, super generous, so filling and delicious. And I think what I've taken out of this recipe is that everyone needs to have, especially this fish sauce, in their pantry at home. Squid brand to make this dish, and of course that beautiful pad thai sauce. It makes everything easy, convenient, delicious, and it's a dinner that's probably, it looks better than what it does when I go out for dinner. So I love it. So you got all the beautiful condiments on the side.
Yes.
Obviously I'm gonna try this because it just looks and smells delicious.
How's that?
The guy can cook. I'll give you that, Mum. That is absolutely delicious. Pad thai, pimped, looks beautiful, tastes delicious, and it's so easy.